Hello, I'm Paul Harbidge, President and CEO of Faraday Copper, who are developing US copper resources. We have one of the largest undeveloped copper assets in the US, with over 4.2 billion pounds of copper in the measured and indicated category. A couple of months ago, we delivered a robust PEA, and we've got significant exploration upside. Catalysts to come are a 20,000-meter diamond drill program starting next month, a gold program, and further technical studies. One of the unique things about Copper Creek is its low capital intensity, long mine life, and we're still undervalued relative to our peers. In terms of our capital structure, we have three key strategic shareholders in the Lundin family, Murray Edwards and Pierre Lassonde. We now have analyst coverage from 5 banks. We have over $20 million in the bank that will fund our milestones over the next 12 months. And even in this difficult market, we've still outperformed that market in terms of share price performance. Copper Creek locates in the heart of southern Arizona at the confluence of two main porphyry trends, and is excellently located for infrastructure with road, rail, and power all close to the project. Importantly, we're not near any major residential footprint, and we don't have any Native American Indian title rights over the project. Our resource totals just 500 million tons for almost 5 billion pounds of copper, both open pit and underground resources. Geologically, the open pit is associated with high-grade breccia pipes, and the underground mineralization is the quartz stockwork in porphyry. 2 months ago, we put out the PEA, which demonstrates an economically viable project with over 30 years of mine life, commencing with the open pit, followed by the underground. And this can be started with an initial capital of just shy of $800 million. Really, the PEA forms the platform in which to build on and add further value. As you'll see here, we've had a 10,000-meter drill program earlier this year, which started to intersect significant mineralization outside of the current resource and was not part of the PEA. And here's some of the areas with potential for that resource expansion. What we see is that below the breccia pipes, we have the transition into porphyry mineralization. So the area between below Globe, Old Reliable, and Copper Prince has not been tested. And similarly, above the American Eagle porphyry, there's the potential for more open pit mineralization. But also in the district, over 95% of the historical drilling has been completed in the mineral resource area. There are two key structures on the property, one in the east called the Holy Joe Fault. That's the conduit to the main porphyries that host the mineral resource. We also have significant number of targets along that structure that have not been drill tested. And similarly, in the west of the property, we have the Western Fault, which is the host to multiple breccia and porphyries that have not been drill tested at all. And this will form part of our future 20,000-meter drill program. We've started our baseline data collection, installed flow meters in the drainages, piezometers in our drill holes. We are busy with water chemistry and water elevation measurements. We're installing a meteorological station, and we've updated our flora, fauna, archaeological, and cultural studies. We've also commenced engagement with local communities with open house meetings, and we've connected with all the American native tribes across Arizona. In terms of the catalysts over the next 12 months, we've got a 20,000-meter phase 3 drill program due to commence in the next month. We've also commenced a gold byproduct study. We see a number of the breccia phases are enriched in gold. We're busy there with assay results and metallurgical work. And we're working also on further grind size and metallurgical work on asset scalability. So it's an exciting time as we move forward, particularly with all of the exploration upside to come. And with that, thank you very much. And you can look at our website and www.faradaycopper.com.